The last 8 years have seen India take giant strides towards achieving self-reliance in defense manufacturing. A unique ecosystem comprising the government, industry and entrepreneurs has led to the design and manufacturing of indigenous defense equipment on land, sea, air and in cyberspace.
भारत अपनी सेनाओं को निरंतर आधुनिक बना रहा है, आत्मनिर्भर बना रहा है। हमारी सेनाओं ने ऐसे उपकरणों की एक लंबी लिस्ट भी बनाई है जिनकी खरीद अब स्वदेशी कंपनियों से ही की जाएगी।
India has moved on from being importers to being exporters, firmly placed on the global leadership map of defense technology. HAL is constantly contributing to the nation's resolve of Aatmanirbharta. HAL has made many remarkable advances by building next-generation combat aircraft and helicopters and utility helicopters. And today, propelling Karnataka on the global map in helicopter manufacturing, India's largest helicopter manufacturing facility is being dedicated to the nation by the Honorable PM. It is a matter of pride and glory for India. The unveiling of the new light utility helicopter by the Honorable Prime Minister marks a momentous occasion in Indian aerospace. The new facility is designed to produce more than 1,000 helicopters in the 3 to 15 ton categories. Such an endeavor will generate business worth 4 lakh crores and create 6,000 jobs. With HAL's new factory, the Indian defense and aerospace industry is ready to soar to greater heights.